Options trading is a game of probabilities, and option strategies and adjustments is a process wherein these probabilities are managed to make maximum returns from the market. So to be successful, what we should do is we should choose a trade which has a high probability of success. How will we come to know that this trade has a high probability of success? We do a lot of back testing, may not be for few months but maybe for few years, and then we see that okay, even if I take this trade with the same framework for last so many months, overall is it profitable, overall is it something which is doable, then it is a high probability trade. Then secondly, you start adding some adjustments to it to make it much better than a normal high probability trade. Welcome to another video by the Option School, and I am your friend Pradeep Singla. In Option School, we try to make as conservative strategies as possible, and we are dependent definitely on our adjustments to extract maximum benefit from the markets. Now, adjustments are important, but I will say adjustment should be my second line of defense. My first line of defense is the inherent hedging in my strategy. So we try to choose a strategy which in itself is a great strategy, and then if required, we will do an adjustment, and by doing the adjustment, whatever negative factors of those strategy are there, we will try to remove those negative factors. So one such strategy which is inherently hedged and never fails is Iron Butterfly. Why I'm saying Iron Butterfly? Well, because we have done a back testing of a lot of months of Iron Butterfly. I will show you today how to do that back testing, and I'm showing you back testing that even if you do not do any adjustment, you set the trade, you forget the trade, and you exit the trade, and then you follow this process iteratively, what kind of results can be achieved. Obviously backtesting doesn't give you the true picture, but if I'm not doing any adjustment at all, then backtesting can be quite close to what is possible as a true trade. Do click the like button, because your like button is the most encouraging thing we get, and we value each and every precious like. So please click on the like button and let us start. You can also join our WhatsApp YouTube community. The link is given in the description. Let us go to Opstra and see what happens to this strategy if I am just trading it in a set and forget way. So this is the Opstra backtesting screen. It's a non-directional strategy. Here we will see non-directional, and then we will select short Iron Butterfly. So I am selecting it for Nifty. I am selecting it for 1 year, and I am selecting it for monthly. Let us say I will not keep it till expiry day. I will just close it 2 days before expiry. Right, I'll close it 2 days before expiry, and we all know what is Iron Butterfly. We are selling at the money call, at the money put, and we are buying slightly for call and slightly for put, so that the trade becomes limited loss and limited profit trade. Now here the system automatically is selecting 50 delta, which is correct, and then basically we select the buying based on whatever premium is received in the straddle, which is short call short put. But in this case that is not possible to do. It doesn't do any backtesting based on premiums, but it can do backtesting based on delta. So we'll say long put delta is 25, long call delta is also 25, which is more or less very similar to you can say selling the straddle, adding the premium, and then buying protections at the difference of the premium. So suppose you are selling a 25,000 straddle and you are receiving 800 rupees in that. So 25,800 call you will buy, and 25 minus 800 is 24,200 put you will buy. So this is closest to that, although I will not say exactly it will be like that, but very close to that, and we can follow this process also. If this process is giving us good results, why not follow the same process in our trading also? Right, let us see the results. And now here one thing is that okay, in January the lot size was 25, in after February for the whole year the lot size was 75, and now from this January onwards the lot size has changed to 65. Roughly you will say 75,000 rupees is the margin required to do such a Iron Butterfly, although this Opstra backtesting may show a slightly different margin. Only one change I have done. What I have done, I have taken the trade 30 days before expiry. hopefully most of the time we do get 30 days before expiry. Sometimes it happens that okay, the previous expiry has happened on let's say 26th or 27th, and we have taken the trade on 1st, and next expiry is also on 25th. So it will not be for 30 days, it will be for slightly less number of days. I will show you that also, but just to get an idea. So what we are trying here, we are trying to get an idea whether iron butterfly as a strategy inherently is a good strategy or bad strategy. Later on we will learn the tricks of the trade and find out that okay, how we can sweeten the deal, right? So let me do this back test now with these parameters. Okay, now we have got the results of backtest. Average capital employed 1,30,000 is slightly on a higher side. We do not require that kind of money now. And if you see, the total PNL is 68,000 rupees. So if I'm saying we require right now around 75,000 rupees, let us say 80,000 rupees, and if in 1 year I'm getting 68,000 rupees, that is really excellent. That is an eye opener for me also. So it is showing total return 52%, 52% when it is considering average capital employed as 1,30,000, but average capital required now is around 70,000-80,000 rupees. I'll say out of 68,000 rupees, let's say 600-700 rupees, because here we are not doing any adjustment. Let us say 500 rupees per month I have subtracted. For 12 months it will be around 6,000, so I still make 62,000 rupees. I think I cannot ask for more. Sometimes we need to see things with a bird's eye view, because we are so much engrossed in our day-to-day trading that we forget to see what is happening as a whole for a year or maybe for few years. Now this is very interesting. It is showing me that okay, number of trades 12. Yes, we have done it for 12 months. Win rate is 58.33%. What is the average gain? It is 15,000. What is the gross gain? Gross gain is 1,07,000, and average loss is this. Gross loss is 39,000. So 1,07,000 minus 39,000 is 68,000. This is fantastic. And if I see here, all the 12 months are there. Out of that, how many red months? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 months profitable, 5 months loss, sorry, very sorry, 5 months loss, 7 months profitable. This is without any adjustments. No adjustments is done. Trade is taken just 30 days before expiry, and trade is closed just 20 days before expiry. Nothing additional we have done. We have taken the trade 50-50 delta sold, 25-25 delta purchase. Now how we can improve the results? That okay, if we go with little bit of adjustments, obviously we are not going to lose 11,000 rupees, we are not going to lose 10,000 rupees. We have an adjustment pattern wherein hardly there is a loss. Most of the time I will show you all 12 months with adjustment, there is no loss at all. And profitable months, yes, we can definitely get decent profit, but yes, when you do adjustments you may not get this high profit of 26,000 rupees, because we tend to book trades early. I am not saying that okay, this can give you 100% return, but I am pretty much confident if iron butterfly is done sensibly, it can definitely give us 24 to 30% return, with the caveat that okay, we need to know how to protect bad months. 7 months are good months, 5 months are bad months. If I am able to protect those 5 months, that means if I'm able to protect those 5 months, means I am not having any loss on those 5 months. So my gross loss of 39,000, let us say it becomes zero, then my total profit becomes 1,07,000. I am still not claiming that okay, we can make 100% returns in 1 year, but yes, definitely it's a good play. And if you have seen my previous video where I've said that how to make uh, 3 times returns with the same capital. One was doing a covered call, one is uh, buying some liquid based liquid case and then pledging everything, and then you need some option trading strategy which can be used to generate good returns. If that option trading strategy is even generating 12 to 15%, overall it becomes a very good game, and that is what we call it as the option well cycle. So if in option well cycle we try to see that okay, we if we land up at 24% per year for my overall capital, 72 divided by 24, that means in 3 years you are able to double your capital. Now that is why now with all the parameters, iron butterfly makes very good sense. I am not going to lose heavy amount of money. It is inherently hedged. There are very simple adjustments. So we are doing a workshop on this on 26th of April, 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. In that workshop we will be showing you how to set up the trade, how to adjust the trade, how to exit the trade, and we will be showing you a complete framework. And this complete framework will be applied to past 12 months. Most probably we will do January to December for 2025, so that we not only know the framework, we also know how to apply that framework. It's not theoretical, it is practical. So if you are interested in joining this workshop, do join this workshop. You can contact the two numbers given on the screen. You can WhatsApp them, you can talk to them. All silver members will get 10% discount on the price of workshop, and all our participants who participated in iron counter workshop, they will get 25% discount. I am leaving you with a iron butterfly workshop where I have shown 2 months of back testing with very interesting results, and from where we have arrived a conclusion that okay, it always makes sense to book profits. Do join our silver membership to get more details of such concepts. And if you like the video, please click on the like button, and if you want more such stuff, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.